Today is a powerful day. April 3rd is the National Day of the Haitian Women's Movement. On this day in 1986, 30,000 Haitian women marched in Port-au-Prince to claim their place, their human rights, and to make themselves visible in Haiti society. On that same day, hundreds of miles away in Miami, my mother was in labor. At 3:32 p.m., I entered into this world, unknowingly but divinely woven into a history of leadership, legacy building, and social change. Also recently learned that April 10th, 1950 marked the first Haitian Women's National Congress, where Haitian and international voices united to push for equality and social change. Since the revolution, Haitian women have been at the forefront, leading, building, transforming. I sense their power, their voices, their courage, their impact, and I stand with them. My 39th birthday, on this National Day of the Haitian Women's Movement, and on the heels of the 75th anniversary of the Haitian Women's Congress, I am launching my campaign as Executive Director of IET Community Trust. Today, I am stepping into this legacy, the legacy of the women who fought in 1804, who gathered in the 1950s, who marched in the 1980s, and in honor of all these remarkable Haitian women who continue pushing the boundaries today. Over the coming months, I will connect with fellow executive directors, artists, community leaders, business owners, and members of our vast diaspora to build a sustainable IET together. As Executive Director, I vow to lead with bold vision, strategy that uplifts community voices, especially those of women, and most importantly, the long-term commitment of building a permanent fund for IET. In the footsteps of fearless Haitian women, I will continue the work. Join me, stand with me, walk beside me. On nous marcher ensemble pour Haïti, pour femmes, pour l'avenir. Merci en pile.